A QR code for Wi-Fi makes sharing your connection easy. Just scan to connect, no typing needed. In this video, I will show you how to create QR code for Wi-Fi password in a few simple steps. First of all, open a browser and type in the search bar free QR code generator. Then go to qr-code-generator.com. Here you will see lots of options to generate QR code like URL, vCard, text, email, SMS, Wi-Fi. But we will use Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi and then fill up the information. In the network name box, type your Wi-Fi network name. If your Wi-Fi network is hidden, then click on this checkbox. Your Wi-Fi is not hidden, then uncheck this box. In the password field, type your Wi-Fi password. And then encryption, choose the middle one, WPA/WPA2, and then generate the QR code. QR code is ready to download. If you want to simple customize like change color or add logo your QR code, just upload your logo here. Once all customization done, click on download. Your QR code is being generated. QR code will be downloaded automatically. My QR code finally downloaded. That's how we can create QR code for our Wi-Fi password. Now we will check this QR code working or not. Open a new tab and search QR code scanner and go to scanqr.org. Scroll down. Here you will see scan QR code from image. Drag and drop your QR code here. Here you will see the scan data, Wi-Fi type, WAP, network name, hardware, and password success. That's how we can generate QR code for Wi-Fi password. If this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.